Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by drying 300 g Vendakka thoroughly. You want minimal moisture to avoid sliminess. While the pan heats, slice the okra 1/2 cm thick or lengthwise for even cooking. This matters because uniform pieces cook at the same rate. Add 2 tablespoon oil, and when it shimmers, toss in 1/2 tsp mustard and 1/2 tsp fenugreek with curry leaves. This tempering unlocks aroma and prevents raw spice flavor. Once the mustard pops, move quickly to the next. Now add the sliced Vendakka and keep the heat medium-high so moisture evaporates. You want edges to brown in 6 to 8 minutes. Add 1 chopped tomato, 1 tsp chili powder, 1/2 tsp turmeric and salt. The tomato gives acidity that balances okra's sweetness. Cover for 1 to 2 minutes to let steam loosen flavors, then uncover and stir every 2 minutes so pieces don't stick. This combination of dry sauté and periodic covering controls texture. Firm, not slimy, and builds a layered flavor base. To finish, lower heat and stir in 2 tablespoon grated coconut or 1 tsp garam masala for warmth. You can use both if you prefer a richer profile. Make sure to taste and add a squeeze of lemon to brighten the curry, then garnish with chopped cilantro. This fresh note balances the spices. If the Vendakka still feels slimy, don't panic. Crank the heat briefly, keep the pan uncovered and stir frequently to evaporate excess moisture. That will firm the texture and restore the desired bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.